Hey guys, it's Ben from TV Parts today. We are going to be getting into a Samsung UN40NU7100F. This particular model, the back of it doesn't have any screws, so we're going to be doing a short video on how to get those off. We are going to need a couple tools, a screwdriver, just something small enough to fit into the slots on the back of the unit, and what we call a spudger. And this is going to be just so we're not damaging anything on the inside while we're prying the back off. So if you have any questions, if you need any parts, you can give us a call into our office at 1-800-203-7484. And we're just going to get right into it. Okay, so we've got the unit laid out here. As you notice, there are no screws in this. So all around the outside of the back of this is connected to the chassis with clips. So that's what the spudger is going to be for. As we slide it along the outside, we're going to pop those clips out. The backs of these can be pretty fragile, so we do need to be careful and take our time. I'm going to start over here on this right side. And I'm just going to lift up enough for that first pop so I can fit this spudger underneath and then slide it along. And you hear those pops as it's coming away from the chassis. And we just move all the way around to the other side. And we want to do the same thing on this left side. Just get the spudger enough room to get underneath it, and we can slide it up and start popping those off. Now if you notice, the top is still connected. We don't want to get too much upwards angle on this because it can fracture and break those. So we're just going to very gently along one of the sides slide that up. And then the same thing. And that should be it. All right, that's it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can receive 20% off your first order through TV Parts today. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.